So how can you replace a specific color in Photoshop on the iPad? So let me show you some options we have available. Of course, if you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything. But the iPad is not like the fully flashed Photoshop. It doesn't have all of the features, but there are some things which we have available. For example, you can literally just if you have multiple different layers, so I don't know, you can just add like a new layer, which is going to be just the adjustment layer on top of some existing ones. And you can see we have something like color balance, which you can apply and literally change the colors of individual things, right? So you can see all of the different colors are basically going to change as such, so you can replace the colors one by one. And if you want to perform these changes only on specific parts of the image, what you can do is to click on the original layer, make sure you duplicate it, and only select the parts of the video, the photo, which you want to like apply the effects to. So you can use the selection tool. For example, you can utilize the quick selection, only select a part of the image, tap on a mask, and then the color balance, or you're going to add like a new layer and choose the clipped adjustment layer to be added. And that way you're going to make sure that you will only apply the changes to that thing, right? So the clipped adjustment might be as well the color balance, but as we said, it's going to apply only to that particular area. And that way you can change the color only in that thing, right? So as you can see, there are more ways how you can do this. As I said, I would personally wish that we had the full Photoshop capabilities on the iPad as well, but currently this is how it works. So let me know if you managed to find it, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.